Hi children, how are you all? All are fine today? Yes, I also fine. I think you also fine. Okay, do you like rhyme? Yes, we can sing one rhyme. Are you ready? Yes, all of you sing with me. Do you have pet? Do you have pet? Pet, 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 pet. Do you have pet? Do you have pet? Pet, 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 pet. I have a dog. I have a dog. Bow, 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 bow. I have a cat. I have a cat. Meow, 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 meow. Do you have pet? Do you have pet? Pet, 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 pet. Do you have pet? Do you have pet? Pet, 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 pet. I have a bird. I have a bird. Chip, 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 chip. I have a fish. I have a fish. I have a fish. Glub, 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 glub. Do you have pet? Do you have pet? Pet, 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 pet. Okay, this song about pet animals. Do you have pet animals? Yes. You have parrot? Oh, okay. Shama, you have rabbit? Oh, okay. Very good. We can discuss about pet animals. Do you know what is the meaning of pet animals? Okay, we have very love with that animals. Okay. Okay, first we can discuss parrot. One bird, pet, parrot. Okay, what is the color of parrot? Green. What is the beak color? Red. Okay, do you like pet parrot? Yes. Okay. We can discuss rabbit. Okay, what is the speciality of rabbit eyes? Rabbit eyes is reddish color. Do you see rabbit? Yes. Okay. Next we can discuss about cat. What is the cat like? Which food cat like? Yes, fish. Okay. Do you have pet cat? Yes. Okay. Then dog. Okay. What is the sound of dog? Bow, bow, bow. Okay. What is the speciality of dog? Dog got house. Dog got house. Next we can discuss fish. Fish is a water animal. Do you have pet fish? Yes or no? Golden fish, many type of fish is there. Okay. Do you like pets? Yes, I also like pet. Okay, we discussed rabbit, cat, dog,